everyone, welcome to a new video of maths. In this video we are going to solve the questions of NCERT textbook exercise 1.5. We have already covered all the other exercises. Please do go and check in the playlist. Here in this exercise we are going to discuss the topic of complements and other operations of set as well. So before jumping into the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like this content, and share it with your friends. So just have a recap what the concept is. So we have to find out what is A complement, what is B complement, and what is A union C, and what is B minus C. So to do all these questions, you have to know what is A complement. So the meaning of any set and its complement is you have a universal set. When you write A complement, you have to remove all the elements which are there in the universal set, and the set or the elements that are remaining is known as the complement of that particular set. The elements from A and then all the elements from C has to be taken, and the repeated elements will be taken once. So this is what a union is. This is a symbol of union. Next one is B minus C. So in that case, you have got elements in B set. Remove off the elements of C that you have in B. Okay, take the elements of B, remove or subtract, you can say, the elements available in C from B. Okay, so that is how we do these questions, and then let's see how to do this question from exercise 1.5 of the chapter sets. So the first question is find A complement. That means universal set is given to you, A set is given, B set is given, and C set is given. So A complement will be, take this universal set, remove off the element of A from here, or just say 1, 2, 3, 4 won't be here, only 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the elements of your A complement. Next comes A union C complement. That means first find out what is A union C and then find out its complement. So that would give you A union C. You have to take this A element and this C element here. So in that case, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 will come. All the elements from both the sets and the repeated elements only once. Okay. From the universal set, remove off these elements, and what are the remaining elements you have to write down. That is 7, 8 and 9. So this is A union C complement. So I hope you understood how to do these two operations together. Same way you can do A union B complement and then A complement complement. That will give you again A only, because A complement will give you this as the answer. Then again if you do complement of this one, that will give you the remaining answer, that is the old answer, that is A. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So do try it out, this question and this question as well. In this question you have got universal set with some elements and you have to find the complement of the given sets. So you have got ABC in the first set. So if you see this universal set, remove this ABC, or just don't include this ABC. The remaining elements which are available will be the answer of A complement. A complement will give you, instead of these 3, D, E, F, G and H. This is A complement. Let's find out what is D complement, the fourth question. So F, G, H and A. F, G, H and A. So the remaining will be B, C, D, E. This set is the D complement. Hope you understood how to do the questions. Please do the other two questions as well. Question is taking the set of natural number as the universal set. Write down the complements of the following set. So universal set has natural numbers starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it goes on, and you have to find the complement of the given sets. First set, it is X is an even natural number. So the universal set contains all the numbers, that is all natural numbers in the universal set. Okay, and this has only even natural numbers. So complement of this particular set will be odd natural numbers. set of two numbers are there, that is odd plus even. Everything is there. Odd numbers are also there, even numbers are also there. So this is even numbers. So remove that and only odd numbers will be remaining. So that will be the answer for the first question. Same way you can do the second one also. Third one you can do like x is positive multiple of 3. Okay. So the set is positive multiple of 3. Since all are natural numbers, all numbers are positive itself. And you have got elements which are not multiple of 3 here, plus multiple of 3 in this given natural set or the universal set. Multiple of 3. Now they are asking positive multiple of 3. So this is what you have with you. So when you find the complement of this particular set, consider it is A. In that case, what will be remaining? Only not multiple of 3. So this is the complement set of A. Hope you understood how to do this question. So similarly, do the other questions as well. So if here you get to find the complement, it is greater than equal to 7, so it will be less than equal to 7 in this case. If you get to solve this perfect cube, it is not a perfect cube. That will be the solution. This one is solve for x and get the value, and whatever is the value except that everything you will get, like 2x plus 1 greater than 10. It will be 2x greater than 10 minus 1, that is 9. 2x is greater than 9x. So here it will be 2x greater than 9 and x greater than 9 by 2. So complement of this will be opposite, that is x less than 9 by 2. Okay, so this will be the solution for the complement. Hope you understood. Do the rest of the questions. This question has to be verified. Okay, so left and right, two terms are given. Consider this is left hand side, this is right hand side. To do this question, we have to understand what we have in our universal set. Second thing is what you have the A set, what you have in the B set. So this is LHS, this is RHS. Let's write LHS and RHS. We have to verify whether LHS equal to RHS or not. So for that, first start with the LHS, that is whatever is given to you. What is given? A union B complement. So first find out what is A union B here. So A union B will give you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to find out complement of this one, that is A union B complement. So complement of this particular value you have to find out, that is this set value you have to find out. So complement will give you 1, 9. This is LHS result. Okay, now let's go to right hand side. What right hand side says? It is A complement intersection B complement. So first find out what is A complement and what is B complement separately. A complement will give you 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B complement will give you 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Find out the intersection. It will be common element. So 1 and 1 is common here. 3 is not there. 4 and 5 is not there. 6 is not there. 7 not there. Only 9 is the common element. So you are getting 1, 9 again. So when you check left hand side and right hand side are same. Here left hand side is this 1, 9 set and it is also 1, 9 set. So both are same. LHS equal to RHS. That is being proved. This is the way how you do this type of questions. Do the other problem also. It will be easier for you. Okay, follow the same methods. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for the following. You can see here 4 questions are given to you. And what is a Venn diagram? To understand what is a Venn diagram, we have already discussed about Venn diagram in our previous videos. You can just go and check in the playlist where the topic Venn diagram is described. And here usually it is a diagrammatical representation of your sets. Okay, the whole set theory is understandable through this Venn diagram. there you have got two different sets or two or more sets, and the universal set will be given. So consider this is the diagram that you have. In this rectangle you have two sets, that is A and B. Okay, so this A and B are this way, that is A union B. This is A set and this is B set. If this is the diagram of A and B set, A union B will be this whole everything whatever is there inside A and B. But the question is asking for something that is different, that is A union B whole complement. That means you don't need this figure, that is the whole inside A and B. You need something outside this, okay, which is there in the universal set. That is, you consider this as the universal set. The shaded portion, portion which I am shading right now, will give you the solution. So this is the solution for the first question. This is how you have to do. Next one, for the second picture, consider this is the universal set A and B set. Okay, in this A and B set, the question is A intersection A complement intersection B complement. So A complement will be everything outside this A, okay, everything, and B complement will be everything outside this B set. Okay, so only take into account the outside of the picture away from this A and B. In this picture you can see the area outside of this both sets, that is the intersection, and the whole area is included in this equation. Okay, hope you understood how to do this question. Please try out the other two questions as well. You will get different picture for different questions. Okay, U is set of the universal set where you have all the triangles. A is set of the triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degrees. So here combination of your universal set contains A set plus sets where you have got all the angles as 60 degrees. That is, you will have equilateral triangles. We call such triangles as equilateral triangle. So the universal set has combination of both. So it asks for what is A complement. So A complement means set of the equilateral triangle where you have got all the elements as 60 degrees, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, let's go to the next question, 7th question. Filling the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. A and union of A complement will make the universal set. Okay, combination of both. Second one is phi dash, that means your universal set, and A intersection, what it will give. So it will be A set only. Okay, phi is universal set, phi complement is universal set, intersection of your A set. A has some elements and universal set also has elements of A. That is true. So which will be common? The elements of A. So that's why A is the result. A intersection A complement. So A intersection A complement doesn't have anything common. Okay, that is totally opposite of your A. Then comes universal set, that is your phi or disjoint set, you can say, intersection A. So in this case it will be nothing, because nothing is common in both these sets. Okay, hope you understood how to do these questions. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like. That will motivate me to make such videos further, and subscribe to the channel to get notifications on time. Please